George just hooked up with another peacock bass.
Got another one, baby.
Haha.
Little one, the feisty.
Yeah.
Look at the other one.
The other one's trying to eat the shiner that's hanging from it.
Alright, little buddy. Alright, little buddy. Alright, I got this one.
It's a little one. It's a nice peacock bass. Yeah. Perfect hook set. Yeah, you could remove it with your finger, I think, dude.
Nice hook set. Right here.
Pull it out. I think we should move down to the big tree.
Damn.
Nothing?
No, bro, it's in. Oh,
there you go. He's off. Show him off. Show him off. Little peacock bass. Look at that, baby.
Little peacock bass.
Nice peacock bass.
Nice little peacock bass.
Throw him gently, bro. Look at that. It's like a little helicopter. Alright, we're gonna move on to bigger fish now. Let's go. Let's do it, George. Go get some bigger fish.
Let's do it.